cool. Now should it should work. We good? I think we are. Yeah, cool. Let's move it here. And we have both our charts. Cool. Double check. Double check. Yes. Again, hello, hellos, and we will code in Vim. Again, yet again, cause we love Vim. Why not, right? Why not? Let's just move window a bit. Like this, like this. Yeah, let's wait a bit. Let wait for people together. If you first time on the stream, or maybe not first time, write something in chat and say hello to others. Yeah. Okay, cool. We're good. So for recap, we have videos, small videos I'm uploading. I think I'll do it every day for recapping if I was doing something out of stream and summary overall. Dude, is it? Why we have this? What if I change it to this? Should work, right? Dude, sometimes I don't know how the fuck this thing works. I just don't know. Okay, let's get it started. So first of all, let me check that our Go is updated. Go version, I guess. It's fine. Let me create file src day 6 part 1. Go. Let me compile run go programs. So if I do it like this, expected package found end of file, and it's fine. Part 1, right? It's fine too. Func main. FMT print. FMT print. Print formats using the default formats for its parents. Is it like this? I don't remember. Yeah. Cool. Golang cell index to file not bound. Let's just remove it from Mason. We can't because we're using full length server. Okay, never mind. We're good. Just a bit annoying stuff, but overall we're good. Let me check. That we are actually doing something. Yeah, cool. That we are actually cool. Yeah, we have video online. Let's just get some music, I guess. I think I have something. Let's just go some synthwave. Cool. And let's go. So we have basic stuff. We need to read input. Let's go in advent of code day 6, right? The ferry quickly brings you across island. After asking around, you discover that there is indeed a nominally large pile of sand somewhere near here, but you don't see anything besides lots of water. And the small island there the ferry has docked. As you try to figure out what to do next, you notice a poster on a wall near the ferry dock. Boat races open to the public, grant prices and all expense paid trip to desert island. Okay, that must be where the sand comes from. Best of all, the boat races are started in just a few minutes. You managed to sign up as a competitor in the boat races just in time. The organizer explains that it's not really a traditional race instead. You will get a fixed amount of time during which your boat has to travel as far as it can, and you win if your boat goes fastest. As part of signing up, you get a sheet of paper, your puzzle input that lists the time allowed for each race and also the best distance ever recorded in that race. To guarantee you win the grand prize, you need to make sure you go farther in each race than the current record holder. The organizer brings you over to the area where the boat races are held. The boats are much smaller than you expected. They're actually toy boats, each with a big button on top. Holding down the button charges the boat, and releasing the button allows the boat to move. Boats move faster if the button was held longer, but time spent holding the button counts against the total race time. Okay, you can only hold the button at the start of the race. The boats don't move until the button is released. For example, this document describes 3 races. The first race lasts 7 milliseconds. Dude, how the race can be 7 milliseconds? Like, it's not possible. The record distance in this race is 9 millimeters. The second race lasts 15 milliseconds. The record distance in this race is 40 millimeters. The third race lasts 30 milliseconds. The record distance is 200 millimeters. Your toy boat has a starting speed of 0 millimeters per millisecond. For each whole millisecond you spend at the beginning of the race holding down the button, the boat speed increased by 1 millimeter per millisecond. For each whole millisecond spent at the beginning of the race holding down the button, so by 1 millimeter per millisecond. So because the first race lasts 7, you only have a few options. Hello. As I said before, if you're interested, I uploaded small videos with day 5 recap going through code, and today we're doing day 6 using Golang. So yeah, don't hold the button at all. That is, hold it for and at the start of the race the boat won't move, it will have traveled at the end of the race. Hold the button for 1 at the start of this, and the boat will travel at the speed of 1 millimeter for 6 milliseconds. Reaching total distance traveled of 6 millimeters. Okay. Okay, makes sense. Hold the button for 2 milliseconds, giving the boat speed of 2 millimeters per 5. Okay, hold the button for 3 milliseconds. After its remaining 4 milliseconds of travel time, the boat will have gone. Okay, so we can we brute force it or what? Let me see the input. Yeah, I guess. We'll see what part 2 will show us. But it seems I found that the code is hard to read for me. Yeah, I mean, it's fine. There is some problems. I mean, not problems. Some like specific stuff to Zeek, like OLs or catches, because try catch works in Zeek different when in other languages. It's not exceptions. They just use same semantic, but the functionality is different. But Golang should be fine. Like I'm always find out that Golang is really easy to use, easy to read, it fast enough. Yeah, I think the most complicated thing of Golang is Go routines, but it's kinda overall is kinda easy too. Yeah. Okay. Cool. We'll do then. Maybe we can do 2 parts together. Okay, so we basically test each of stuff for causing a boat travel total of 6 millimeters. That's because we have like 1 second left, and yeah, you let go, hold the button. That's the entire duration of the race. You know, the boat can move until Since the current record for this race is 9 millimeters, there are actually 4 different ways you could win. You could hold the button for 2, 3, or 5. In the second race, for at least 4 milliseconds and at most, and beat the record. In the third race, you could hold the button. Third race. Hold the button for at least 11 milliseconds and no more than 19 and still beat the record at total. To see how much margin of error you have, determine the number of ways you can beat the record in each race. In this example, if you multiply these values together, you get 288. Okay, so 4 here, 8 here. Okay, makes sense. Cool. Let's get started then. Let's create d6 test txt nano it get the last one. Let me figure out Golang read file. Yes, a read file. Cool. Golang docs documentation. Not this. We want API docs. Standard library. OS. Jump to read file. Read. Dude. OS. Can I find it like this? Read. Package buffer implements buffer drops. Yeah, doesn't matter. Like just go OS, right? OS. Read file. So we have read file. Turns the contents successful nil bytes because read file is the full file. It doesn't return the file from read as an error. Makes sense. Can we read lines? Go. Wait, we have open read. Read at least your reader. Pick. Golang read file line by line. Buffio scanner scan scanners capacity. Vim time, yeah. It is, because for Zeek we didn't have LSP. I was checking it yesterday and I haven't found out like how to do it easily. I mean, I can do it for sure, but I just don't want to spend time with that. So if we take scanner, size scanner capacity for lines over 6, is it every line? There is one key with scanner will error with lines longer. If you know your line length is correct, then use the buffer. Scanner buffer. Yeah, I mean, this should be fine. Let's do read AOC input file name string, and we return let's just without return for now. Paste. Okay, no, like this, right? Dude, I need go FMT, I guess. Bum. So we have file name here. If error, log fatal. Yes, def file close. Buffio optionally scan fmt println. If error, fatal. Okay, cool. Missing in parameter list. Mm, mm, wait. Dude. Yeah, let's go. FMT OS log Buffio. Is it fine? I guess. And we do read AOC input D6 test txt. Cool. CLS go run src day 6. Cool. We got the input. So then we can return slice of strings. Return slice of strings. We do it as result make. I think you can do it like this, if I remember correctly. Scanner text, res equal append res and return res. IOC input and let's just log print ln. I think you can do ASC input, right? Time 7, distance. Wait, is it? It's one element, right? I think it is. Len. No, 2. Okay, fine. I don't know. The formatting is kinda interesting. So we have 2 elements. We have day 6 test. So we need to go through each of columns. Is it splitted with tab? I think it is. I think it is splitted with tab. Let's just see input. No, I think it's spaces. Okay, never mind. Never mind. So we need a go doc split. No biddable go so file split strings. And it has yeah, it has split. Go doc strings split. I like, by the way, about Go stuff. I like that they have Go doc. It's kind of cool. So separator, cool. So we can just split, and we have slices of input. So we can let's just do calc as we do AOC input and function calc lines string slice. Is it crashed or something? Is Twitch crashed? Let me check. No, we're good, I think. No, no, no. Dude, what the fuck? Yeah, we're good. We're good. I guess it's crashed at some point. I don't know. Cool. Cool. Thanks. Thanks. So we want like for every line we basically have games. We basically have time and record, right? So first, for I range lines is I string and no string here. Cool. We can, I think, do like this. Do line. Line. Yeah, let's just process. So what we want is mean time list. I don't know, time list, and it will be string slice for now, and record list. And what we do is for every line we split it with cool, and we get in strings. Yes. We get slice. Let's call it, I don't know, a cell. Now we want a cell 1, a cell. Yeah, no shadowing for us, right? Yes. Then we need some string. We need some string. Well, s. Yes. Now we want s. Split s. Split after split. Basically splitting it with space, I guess. Cell. Split with space. and that should be our let's just do it u int, oh wait, yeah, u size, right? U size, do we have u size? No. Dude, Golang u size, basic types. Dude, why it's so uint 64 complex uint 60, okay, uint 64, just so we don't get problem numbers. Cool. So for SL now we have parse template parse, no, parse int, no, a2. Oh, okay. We'll just take a look. Oh, so now for every number and str range sl we want the first wait, what I'm doing? We have two lines, like we always have two lines. Why I'm going through each of them? Let's just do it like this, so we're not all the complicating stuff. Lines 0, and then we get all this shit. This will be time list. And let me take a look at parse. Parse int. No. Yeah, in this case it's not very useful. Golang parse int. Strconf. Yes, strconf. Okay, cool. Makes sense. Strconf. So we can, and I think strconf will result error or something. Strconf to atoi, right? Atoi. Do we have like? Let me go doc strconf atoi. Dude, I just don't want parse uint. Yeah, I think we need this one, parse uint. Append uint. Parse complex, base bit size, parse uint. String base parse uint is like parse int, but for unsigned number. Cool. Sign prefix is not permitted. I mean, not much. Interpret string s in the given base 0, 1, 2, 3, and bit size and returns corresponding value I. The string may begin with a sign. If the base argument is 0, the true base is implied line the sign if present 2 for 0b. The bit size argument specifies the integer type that the result must fit into. 64. Okay, makes sense. Makes sense. So we do strconf parse uint and str base 10 64 bytes. we have value error, and if we have error, we just do we have panic? Panic, right? Delete operation notify. We want panic building function, stops normal extension function. We just panic with error. I think we don't need a log. We can use fmt. Yeah, never mind. We just do log panic like this, right? Cool. So we panic if it's not working, and now we do in time list append v. Cool, and now we just do same stuff for line 1, except that now it's not time list but record list, right? Record list. No new variables. Yeah, cool. Like this. Okay, makes sense. So now we have lists. Let's do it. Prepare data. Actually, algo. So now when we have those lists, let's just take a look. Let's just take a look. Let's just print those lists, I guess. Is it have like something like the bug? No. It's print fatal. Yeah, just print a fatal. Print standard. Yeah, we want print ln time list, and we want distance record list. And I think we will need stream for this kind of stuff. Go bin ssc day 6.1. Oh, not bin. Go run. Parsing. Yeah, makes sense. I think we can do the same stuff we were doing with Zik. And not panic, but just continue. So we don't mind. We don't mind continue. And I bet we will have no numbers, so maybe 1, 7, 15, 30. Okay, we good. We good. We have input, and now we need to do something with it. So now we just day 6 part 1. We go in I equal range time list. It's index, right? We can take time, and we can get distance as this. Did I Never mind. Cool. We have time. We have distance. I just think about this a bit. I think there is some formula to do it in constant way, but let me think. Um, I'm just not sure we will focus on this task too much. So basically time, yeah. 1, 2. Like if we hold 1 millisecond, we have 6 left. So this will be 6 millimeters. 2 millisecond, 10 millimeters. 5 to 10 makes sense, and the record is 9, right? Can we know, like, just a bit of thinking, can we have a formula, basic math formula to get count for this? Time 9. I didn't find formula did assumption about range in work of Python. No, we can do range, right? It just my intuition saying me that there can be some formula. I had like previous experience with this kind of calculations. And range will work. I just want to spend like 10-15 minutes to think about this. If it's not, we'll just brute force it. 4, 12. Let's think about like this one, right? 15 seconds, 40. 14. Four milliseconds and 11 milliseconds. Because 11, 4, that should be enough. Dude, if I go brute force, I will think about this one for whole night, because I bet there is a formula. Uh, 7. Will it grow all the time? 6, 10, 12, 10, 6. There is a funny pattern you can see. 6, 10, 12, and then opposite. 12, 10, 6, 0, 0. So 0, 6, 10, 12, then opposite. If we think about this, like here, bash Python. for 15, right? If we take like 1, if 1, we will have 1 meter, so basically this will be 14, right? We have 14 seconds left. This will be 14. For 2, we have 13 to 26. For 3, we have 12 and 3. For 11, we have 11. For 4, we have 11. So if we hold for 4 seconds, we have 11. Second left, 44. And I bet if we're talking about not 1 but 14, if we hold for 14 seconds, let's just do it like this, we will have 14, right? If we hold for 13 seconds, we will have a speed 13 equal to, yeah, this is like, this stuff is have a pattern for sure. And if it has the pattern, it should have a formula. It should have formula. Like result list 4 milliseconds and most 11. And most 11. Yeah, this at least we can do it at least 2 times faster, because we can see, because of this pattern, if we find the minimal win, like 4 milliseconds, the maximum will be max minus 4. So it was 15 minus 4 will be 11. Same for 30. If we find for third race that it's minimum 11, the final will be 30 minus 11, 19. Yeah, so at least we don't need to go like through all of the possible solutions. But I really want to find this formula. 0, 6, 10. 0, 6, 10 for 15. For 15, at least 4. Because it's 14. It's 0, 14, 26. 0, 6, 10, 12. For this one, 14, 26, 36, 44. It's 11, 4, 10, 5. It will be 50. 11, 4, 9, 6, 54. So we need to find minimal, and it seems minimal is just related to the number. How can you do clear CLS Control Z to Fuck you, Python. It just related. Let's just let me do it this way. Touch day 6. Day 6. Dude, how I nodes empty and vim day 6 nodes. So let's go through it like 7, right? If we have 7. If we have 7, it's 0, 6, 10, 12, and opposite. If we have 8, for example, this would be 0, 7, then if it's 2, if it's 2, 2 seconds, 6 equal 12, right? 3 seconds, 5, 15. 4 seconds, 16. And then it's going back. 4, 3, 5 seconds, 15. Yeah, and it's going backward. Let's take, I don't know, let's take 6 for example. So it will be 0, then 5, then if 2 seconds and 4 left, this will be 8, and 3 will be 9, and we going backwards, right? 4 seconds, 4, 2, 8, right. So, yeah, it was bash. I was doing bash, and Control Z is fine, I think. So we see pattern here, right? So in our example, we had 7, and the value was a 9. Value was 9, right? 9, yeah. And because of these, we have 2, 3, 4, and 5. 3, 4, 2, 3, then 4 and 5. This is because of are we 3, 4. We add in 4, then half of that. 7, 12, 5, 3. Interesting. It's 3. Minus 3, it's 4, minus 2. Minus 3, 5. Then minus 2, 3. Okay, let's minus 1. Let me check 5. So it will be 5, it will be 4 for sure, 0, 4. Then it will be 6, and let's see, right? Because then we go in 3, 2, 6. So in this case, we take in minus 1 and then add minus 3 from that number. Minus 1. Minus 1. Minus 3. Three variants, 4 variants, 5. 6. Dude, is it like 3, 3? Like if 5 minus 1, it will be 4 minus 2. 5 minus 1, it's 4. 4 minus 2, it's 2. So for 8, it's minus 1, it's 7. 7 minus 2, it's 5. So we add 5. 5 minus 2, it's 3. So we add 3. Yeah, we just go in minus 1 and then minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. So what we have here is for n, we have n. So result will be n minus 1 first time, and then we go in minus 2 and continue it. So if n is 8 and we want yeah, and this is 0, so what I mean is first one will be 0 all this, and the last one will be 0, and the next one, so second will be n minus 1, so for 8 it's 7, for 6 it's 5. And then we just go in each step minus 2. So for third one, this basically will be n minus 3. So for when it's 8, it will be plus 5 to the previous one. And previous one was 7. 7 plus 5 will be 12. For example, for 6, this will be plus 3. So we're doing plus 5 here and plus 3, 8. So yeah, this is the formula. We just need to understand how can we use it to find out step by the number. Um, and so is it minus 1 minus 3? Plus 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 8 plus 8. Dude, I mean, it is there. Just some kind of with if combine these, this will be a kind of big formula because we need. But we can, like for sure. I bet 100% that there is a formula when you just give those two numbers, you can calculate it without any loop at all. Because we see pattern already. We can figure out number by ID. We can figure out number like the max number. Four, yeah. Just this is our key numbers. 3, and that's it. because then we go 4, 6. Oh wait, 0, 4, 6, 2, 3, 6, 3, 2. 4. It's 4. 2. 7. 2, 6, 12, 3, 5, 15, 4, 4, 16. Yeah, I guess. We just need to figure out, like, yeah. 4, 4, 16. 7, 1, 6, 10, 2, 5, 3, 4, 12, 4, 3, 12. Yeah, and I'll be honest, it fully possible, because I seen those um like those problems, those tasks several times. There is like just one. I mean, there is several calculation, but it's not a loop or something. You just have a like function formula with two variables. Mm, like you can see pattern already. Let me double check. 7 or 9. 7 or 9. 2, 3, 4, 5. 40. Boom. I just think like just spoiler for me. If we find out this formula, will it be useful in part 2 or we will need to do it other way? Like just Yeah, okay, cool. Because it could be brutal if you really they want you to find formula and then like okay, fuck it, you just don't need it. Yeah, this is like more a mathematical task, math problem. To be honest, to figure out like this formula. And why I'm doing it? I mean, it's not useful here, but computational difference is like huge. Like those calculation can basically like do miracles. Yeah. That's what I think. In what? Uh, mm, so imagine like we don't really care about number size. It will be constant calculation for us. Um, so 46. I think I mean, we already found out like not fully brute forcing, right? Uh, because we can like we have several things. First one, we need to brute force only half if we want. Second, we can find maximum number just calculating it, just smaller formula, and then like go down from maximum. And the same like this is basically a mirror of numbers. So we just find out and then power 2, and that's it. Mm, mm. Dude, we're thinking a lot. We're thinking about this a lot, but I just can't stop because I'm 100% sure there is a formula. Mm, Dude, I had some. Yeah, double music, let's go. Is it one? Fine. Double one music. Never mind. Baldur's Gate. Cool. Mm. D T C C plus C equal let's see. So you mean distance and time? Distance is record, right? So in our example, D is 7. T is 7. D is equal 9. So if we dude, wrong. Python 3. So if we 9 7, then you mean r plus equal 1. Modular, okay. R. Oh, dude, what the fuck I'm doing? So we have basically 2, right? And then you mean r equal r t7 minus c did I make it wrong or what? I think I did it as you write it. R2 7 2 10, but this is not our answer, right? Nine 7. Wait, I was trying this for 7 and 9, and we get 10. But the answer is 4, because 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Right? Because from 9 and 7 we want to get 4. Its first value that provide output more. Its first value, right? Okay. Okay, sounds cool. So you mean let's just do it like this. So for 30 and we have 30, then we have 7, and then we have 30 minus r. It's not. Wait, I think. Yeah, I did it right, but it's not working for the last one, right? So I did r 237, 30 minus 7. Yeah, but it's less than 200. I think I did it same way. right? Yeah. Let's just no, it's fine. Yeah, I mean, my goal here, I don't know, maybe you are tired of this, but you can see the pattern. Like basically this is static numbers. We can we really have we can find out the formula. Uh, there's just some, yeah, as I said, some math problem solving. Um, I know myself, like if I leave it as it is, I will try to find the formula. Uh, Dude, I'm more focused on this. But we kind of moving to the result. Just I'm not sure are, are we near the exit. Um, I'm not sure. Um, 215. Yeah, we need chunks. We need those chunks. Mm. Dude. Maybe I need a break from this one. Just brute force it. Uh, let's just think about this. Just summary. What we have. Like for the 7, 12 is max. For the 15, 44 is max, right? Um, base round and work. It's gonna work. Uh, can you just try it for other two? Cause yeah, we have like free input. Just calculate it, and if it's work, then voila. If it's work. Yeah. So it doesn't, right? Yeah. I mean, we can find. Should I focus like on the formula to get maximum possible value? Like what we can get from that? Like 7, it's for 7, it's 12. Mm. Hey, welcome back. So we're doing day 6 and we are finding out that basically there is some formula behind this. So this is like a math problem solving. We can do it brute forcing, but I'm just like to do math problems, so we stick to finding out this formula. And if we find out, this is basically constant time formula. Um, 12. Mhm. Yeah, dude. I guess we just brute forcing this. I think we are close. I think we are close, but dude, are you? Is it? Have you calc it yourself, or is it spoiler for someone? Just be honest with us. SQRT, yeah, makes sense. SQRT, by the way. SQRT, by the way. Record time. Record and time. Speed accumulated. So, Mizard, have you found out this formula by yourself? Just curious. Cause yeah, as I said, there is formula for sure. I plugged it in math program. It in a math program. Uh, you could travel from Alpha. Yeah. I know. Yeah, I just wanted to find out it by myself. But yeah, we're spending already like hour and a half on this. And yeah, math problems are pretty interesting sometimes. I mean, most of the times, I guess. And it's cool when we have such opportunity to solve them in programming contests. That's proof that we are not just front-end JavaScript developers. Dude, this is what I did. Oh, I have even, yeah, it's even crashed. We just parsed input and that's it. And I have this file um, for dude, yeah, I want a more edit recover. Cool, no swap file. Cool. So yeah, basically we just started parsing, and then at that time I was finding out that there is some formula. So you saying we have t equal time plus this modular? Dude, is it plus minus? Is it ABS or something? Security time for record 12. So you're saying if we have time speed accumulated, if we have time equal, let me take a look, like time 30 and distance 200, record 200. What we need to do is t equal time plus, dude, how you do sqrt in Python? qrt math sqrt. Okay, square root of 4. Too much sqrt. Math. I think we need to import it. Yeah. Now we have t equal time plus math sqrt time 2 minus 4 record, like this. What is it? 19. I'm not sure what's plus minus mean. 9. 19. So if let me do it like this. Def calc time record return time plus math sqrt time 2 minus 4 record minus 4. The correct form has two solutions. Plus minus just a compact way to specify both in a single expression. I got it. You mean minus will be 11 in this case, or what? Time math security and to right. Yeah, of course. So we want tab here, calc. Let's try it like calc 7, 10, 5. Right. And def calc, can we do the same? never mind. Def calc low. And we do minus, right? And calc low will be 2, 5, 2. Okay, let's just test it, but cool, thanks, thanks Mizard. I think we could figure out it at some point, but I bet I need like 3-4 days for this. Yeah, I'll go through this one because I need to figure out, like, summarize it in my head. So if we take 15, for example, right? Calc 1540, this will be 11, and calc low will be 3, I guess. For is it always around for lowest? I mean, need to take salient and float to get each of the values. Cool. Okay, so we have the plan. So let's do this like if so what we want to do is calc high, and we take in time u int 64 and distance u int 64, and we return u int 64. So for calc high we have this one, time distance plus no, we have plus already. This will be missing return. Let me do the invalid type. Yeah, I know. This is just fucking give me more context, please. Dude, I'm happy and at the same time depressed. I'm happy that there is a formula and I was right. I am depressed that I haven't found this formula. But dude, I would yeah, it would take us some time, and it's a lot of like mental effort to find out. I don't know. I'm just not mathematical guy. I mean, I have no like PhD in math or something. I just like to do math when I can. Yeah. So what we want to do is go run src day 6 p. So Mizard, if I understood you correctly, so have you like was calcing this formula or just put some I mean logic to Wolfram and it gave you the formula? Undefined math, yeah, undefined math, because math. OS OS go, dude. How can I search package sqrt? No, dude. Why can't we just use the standard? What is this? Symbols sqrt math. I wrote the initial quadratic formula based on the problem description. Then I was lazy and just let the tool solve it for me. Dude, anyway, it's cool. Like initial quadratic formula, I like it. Then I was lazy. I just let the tool solve it for me. Do you have your initial formula just before you put it to Wolfram? I'm just curious. I want to take a look if you have it already. That could be cool. So let me just go doc math. So we have sqrt here. T time t equal record plus 1. Dude, I'll copy paste and think about this. Thank you a lot. And vim d6 notes. You can see I have I have these calculations here that I was trying to find out like formula by the pattern we have. But yeah, cool. So we doing day 6 p1 math. If you guys want me to continue doing these challenges, please subscribe YouTube, Twitch. I have all related links, and I'm uploading small videos summary for every day. So yeah, so far so good, and it's really fun to do those kind of challenges. So now we have yeah, invalid type, go run Cersei day 6 part 1 time mismatch type since and float 64. Yeah, okay, it's fine. It's fine. Dude, I think we have something like Paul. Hello, you're doing this in both Zik and Go. I'm switching languages. You can see more videos on my YouTube. I'll write it down. I think link should be correct. Or maybe not, because I DNS. Wait, what? Dude, sometimes I don't know. Let me check. Dude. Yeah, let me post it here. Time could be written time. Yeah. I just want to find out POW function. So Netter, we're doing it both Zeek, Go, and Rust. We were doing Zeek for I think 3 days in a row. Yeah, day 3, day 4, day 5. Today we're doing Go. We'll see. Maybe tomorrow we will continue to Go. It just depends on what you guys want to see. Because I can solve it in C, just pure C2. and I think to do it at some point, but with C just we need a lot of like helper functions. So yeah, Go, C, Rust, Zeek. I think I will not use other languages because I don't like them. Um, okay, let's continue. So we have float here. Yeah, let's just time, and we have float. Did I just need to let me put it in playground? So yeah, guys, we're doing full stuff, 25 days, no skipping. Maybe just going at some point a bit slower because we're trying to figure out a best possible way to solve thing. Uh, but yeah, we'll see. I uploaded day 5 summary already. It was fun, especially part 2. You can go to my YouTube and take a look if you're interested how we was doing it in Zeek. A so yeah, declared not used. Let me do fmt print lna. Time it's fine. Let's do time equal 5. 7 distance equal 9. Invalid, yeah, this is because mismatch types int and float 64. How, by the way, can we say, I think we need var or something for that. Mm, for that time, dude, distance, time, distance for. I think we do it like this. Golang cast. I forgot how to do that in Golang. Yeah, cool. No. Okay, cool. So we need to take it as float, I guess. Float 64. Time as much types int and float 64. Yeah, thanks. Float 64 and I just did one, two, let me just go time, security, float 64. Wait, is math security sqrt taking float, right? Yeah, taking float, return float. Makes sense. So time, we just need to convert something into float. Think that should be fine. No. Time and distance are integers and math security takes the return floats. Yeah. time is not a float and int. Dude, I don't want to convert all of this in floats. Yeah, that's fine. Let me just go like this. A1, A1. We take in because this formula is blow my mind. We take in this, and we saying, okay, this will be float 64. We saying A1. Time is int. I think it will fail. Yeah, let's do time as uint 64. I think like this. 4. Yeah, one sec. Time plus math sqrt mismatch types. So basically, if we do it like this, time, yeah, mismatch types. Dude, I think, yeah, let me just simplify this. I think if we do something like this, we just need to be sure we not fuck this up. 85 79. Can we get it back here? Oh, never mind. Let's just leave it as it is. 8 5. No. It's 9 since the current record. They're actually this you get told 5 5 milliseconds. It's 10, right? It's 10. Time distance security. Dude, I already forgot what what we were doing. I already forgot. 5 and 5. It's 7 9. Race the record distance 9. Yeah. They're actually 4 different ways. 5 millisecond. 5. Wait, I think I fucked this up. Actually, for difference way. Button 2, 3, 5. 9 millimeters. 4. 15 and 40. 15 and 40. This is because we have in a lot of floats, right? 1109. 11. This is, and we should get 19, I guess. Right. At least 11 and maximum 19. At least 4. 15, 40. Wait, what? I need to go. Yeah, thanks. See ya, Mizad. See ya tomorrow. Time and distance. For second one. Um, at least, dude, I already confused. So we take a 19. Um, mm, converting float in every possible situation. Let's just get back to the formula. Time minus 4 record. I think I fuck up the float somewhere. Distance. Time minus 4 distance minus 4. SQRT. Time plus SQRT and 2. Okay. 1540 5 7. Let's get back to Python, because there is no import math def calc high time distance, and we do return time we do return time plus time minus 4 distance minus 4. Cool. If we do 7 and 9, we get calc high 11 and 5. 11 and 5. So it's so this will be 12, right? Times 7, distance 9 plus. Yeah, we fucked up. No, distance here. Yeah, we fuck up the calculations at some point. And I don't fucking like it. Time minus 4, distance minus 4. sqrt. Oh wait, I forgot. We, oh my god, we doing sqrt only for. Uh, mm, we doing sqrt. So what I was doing is basically, and here we want math sqrt. Um, time. Ah, dude, yeah, I got it. I got it. Well, I fucked this up. Like this. And is it 5? Is it mm, one? Mm, uh, okay, so this way we have 5, and this way we have 2, right? So in case of 15 and 40, we have 3, 4, and 11, right? In the second, 4 and 11. Um, and in case of 30 and 200, we have 19 and should be 11. Cool. Right. So we go in like this and vim. So C day 6 B1. Calc high. Let's just copy paste this stuff. And r r time distance. Let's it like time u time dude, what the fuck ups, distance u we're doing time as float 64 time u and distance as float 64 distance u. A1 will be time and this is high, so we're doing plus here. Type float, yeah, and what we want to do is sale the least integer. Yeah, I think it's sale and r, right? And calc low. We're doing the same stuff, but minus and if we have sale floor right. So in this case, we have time and distance, and what we want, let's just do print first. Print f t, it's u unsigned long, if I remember collector distance ul, and result low high, like this, and we have time distance low high and a low equal calc low with time distance and high doing a calc high. Right. Yeah, we have problem with formatting. Go run crc day6p1. Yeah. Wait, why? Can I get some better explanation? No, I don't remember. Is it you, just you? Maybe. No. Dude. Hi. Hello. So, welcome. We're solving day 6. We were trying to figure out formula. Then one of our watchers helped us. Okay. And we have the formula basically. Go print format. Slash xu decimals. We want numbers. D x v x v. I think you can just use v all the time, right? Yeah. Sprintf, but we are not printing into string. We are just looking for format and I think V should work. Yeah, 7, low 2, high 5, low 3, high 12. Let's double check it. Um, no, cause we fucked numbers, I guess, right? I mean, not numbers, but sale and floor. Is it? 11, 19, 4, 11. And 2, 5, right? Yes. So now we just take 9, for example, 5, 9, minus 2 plus 1, 11 minus 4. Yeah, should work. That should work. So basically sum is high minus a low plus 1, and we have some. So in this case, what we need to do is basically we're doing sum equals 0, and we want to power them, right? Yeah, so we want power them, and not sum, but change word to diff, and if sum equal 0, we're doing sum diff, else to be honest, I'm already tired, so I can do some fast hacking. Fast hacks. Invalid mistype. Yeah, this is because you int 64, right? And we do it like this. We do it. Yeah, we want to have v, and we have sum time distance. Yeah, we don't have time distance anymore. Let's just check it's working. 288, right. So should be good. Should be good. So now we just return sum and hope that all this stuff will work. Calc you in 64. Cool. So we want assert. Let me just, I don't remember. I don't remember Godot assert. Go source files, fmt is debug, go assert assertions. No, no, wait, no. Is it like, yeah, assert. This is default one. Yeah, what is Go equivalent? It's cool. Yeah, I forgot that Go don't have it. So we just panic, I guess. I just don't want to get some extra packages for nothing. Let's just then we know that it works, so let's do input day 6 and just log print ln calc and AOC input here, right? Right, should be, and we need file because we haven't created already, so we do touch input d6txt and just let me copy paste this. So is this our input? Right. Okay, fine. Cool. And that should work. Let's just double check. Yeah, cool. So we got part 1. Let's continue to part 2, I guess. By the way, guys, subscribe to Twitch, subscribe to YouTube. I'm streaming Advento code every day. We change it language like every 2 or 3 days. I think we will do Golang tomorrow too. Uh, we have we had we had Zig and Rust before. At some point we will do C, maybe after Go. Here the link to a YouTube if you don't have it. So they part 2 is a race is about you realize the piece of paper race distance you got to lecture just have you berry kerning. Only one race. Ignore the spaces between numbers on each line. So the example from before. Now instead. Now I have to figure out how many ways there are to win this single race. Cool. As we thought, that formula will help us. As we thought. So basically we just copy paste this. Wait. 7. Yeah, we just get the string. Okay, got it. Yeah, should be fast. We just need to concatenate this. So let's copy our day 6 to day 6 part 2. And we have new logic, right? We have same data, but we just need to concat these numbers. So now we have basically prepared data, but there is no time list or record list. There is only time. Let's just do time str and record str. And so we split and then we just not converting it but just concatenating. I don't remember how we do this in Go. can we just do like this? Yeah, I think so. Plus equal. Should be fine. Then record str equal nstr. Cool. And now we just doing like this. Distance strconv parse uint distance is not distance, it was record str base 10 64 bits. Assignment mismatch. Yeah, cause it can return arrow. It can return arrow. And if we have arrow, let's just panic for now, because we want to see if it failed for some reason. And same for time. Time str. Cool. Cool. Input. Let's just change it to D6 test. And we'll see what we will print. So oh wait, my bad. We need to. We will have spaces. So let's just print this stuff. Like log print f and have something like this and v slash n and s and str here, because it can fail. Right, range SL. This is and cool. And now we just run p2. We have did we trim it already? Empty. I just ignore, right? Yeah, 7/1/5. Cool. Cool. So day 6 b2. No. Been so we print some. Let's just test it. 7/1, and we have the same, right? 7/1, 7/1, 5th. Yeah. So we change. Now we change just the file we're using, and we good to go. Input d6 txt, and that's it, I guess. Yep. So we got this. We got day 6 and have 10 hours till day 7. We are not speed running it, but I think I'll do it at some point. Maybe next year, or maybe we'll just do old Advent of Code, because I haven't done it before. Just for testing, how fast can we do that? So yeah, it's we good. We've streamed for 2.5 hours. So thank you guys all to be here with me. We finish and stream for today. We will stream tomorrow, day 7, Golang 2. And it was cool stream. We found out formula. We are good. Thanks all, and see you tomorrow. Bye.